Welcome to this video on why you're always tired. If you're someone who struggles with fatigue and finds it difficult to concentrate and stay alert, then this video is for you. We'll explore the science behind why you feel tired, and provide you with practical tips to overcome fatigue and improve your energy levels. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the factors that contribute to tiredness, and you'll be equipped with tools to help you feel more energized and focused. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of tiredness. Welcome to my new video. Do you ever find yourself feeling tired and fatigued even after a full night's rest? Perhaps you struggle to concentrate or feel alert and focused, leading to decreased productivity and motivation throughout the day. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind why you're always tired and offer some practical tips to overcome this common problem. Section 1. The mystery of tiredness. Fatigue and tiredness are common complaints, affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. There are a number of factors that can contribute to these symptoms, including physical and mental health conditions, stress, and poor lifestyle habits. However, you might be surprised to learn that even seemingly unrelated factors, such as weather changes or diet, can also impact your energy levels. So, what causes tiredness and fatigue? While the answer isn't always straightforward, there are some common explanations. One is the impact of your daily activities on your body and brain. You might think that the reason you're always tired is due to the amount of cognitive or physical work you've done, but that's not always the case. In fact, certain types of work or activities can actually increase your energy levels, such as engaging in a creative hobby or spending time in nature. To overcome the mystery of tiredness, it's important to identify the specific factors that are impacting your energy levels. This could involve keeping a daily journal to track your symptoms and activities, or seeking medical advice to rule out any underlying health conditions. Section 2. The science of brain regulation. Our brains have sophisticated mechanisms of self-regulation, which play a crucial role in determining our levels of alertness and focus. Throughout the day, your brain is constantly active, releasing substances that accumulate over time and eventually signal your brain to rest. This process results in a buildup of substances that inhibit brain activity, leading to sleepiness and fatigue. To overcome these natural rhythms, it's important to engage in behaviors that promote brain health and reduce stress. This could include practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga, taking regular breaks throughout the day to stretch and move your body, and engaging in activities that promote mental stimulation and creativity. Another key factor in brain regulation is the impact of light exposure on our circadian rhythms. Exposure to bright light in the morning can help to reset our internal clocks and promote wakefulness, while exposure to dimmer light in the evening can signal our brains to prepare for sleep. Section 3. Behavioral factors that contribute to tiredness. While some factors contributing to tiredness may be out of our control, there are many behaviors that we can modify to improve our energy levels. Two of the most common factors are lack of exercise and poor sleep quality. Exercise is essential for maintaining physical and mental health, and can also help to boost your energy levels. Aim to engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Not only will this help to improve your energy levels, but it can also help to reduce stress and improve your mood. Sleep is also crucial for restoring energy levels and maintaining overall health. Poor sleep quality can lead to daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and decreased productivity. To improve your sleep quality, try to establish a consistent sleep schedule, limit caffeine and alcohol intake, and create a relaxing bedtime routine that includes turning off electronics and winding down before bed. In conclusion, fatigue and tiredness are common complaints that can impact our daily lives and productivity. By understanding the science of brain regulation and the behavioral factors that contribute to tiredness, we can take steps to improve our energy levels and maintain optimal health. By implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this video, such as getting enough exercise and quality sleep, we can boost our energy and improve our alertness and focus. So, take care of your brain and body, and make the necessary changes to stay energized and productive. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and learn about the causes of fatigue and tiredness. We hope that the information we have shared has been helpful and informative, and that you are now better equipped to take care of your brain and body to maintain optimal health and energy levels. If you found this video useful, please consider sharing it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.